to like take it out, rethread it. Like it was kind of a mess.
So, I wanted to show you, like, for positioning. This particular machine has a camera in it, so, what you can do is, so we're just gonna do like one letter, because that's probably what y'all would do, right? So, we're gonna, like, just do a V. We're gonna pick a letter here. Let's just say, okay, so I want this at an angle right here. So you put your sticker down. The big circle, that's the center. The little circle is the direction, okay? So it'll be turned. So I'm gonna hit edit
Well,
and,
how would I know I want it turned that way, not another way?
well, yeah, so.
I don't know.
Yeah,
What
okay.
is the,
Yeah, well, no, it just depends on how you want it, on whatever you wanna do. So.
Okay.
It's always going to be north.
So you want, let's just
okay, so
say.
if you wanted
So let's
to,
say, you know, you want it, you just want to put it where you want it to go. So if you just want it straight up and down, you can have it go this way. But the little circle is telling the machine what direction you want your design to go. So once you have it hooped, if you decide you want it at an angle or something, you can move it. If you just want it straight, then you would just put it like that,
So it kind of clarifies something.
straight is meaning
up and down.
up and down, okay,
So like
or,
this.
Yeah, like if you just want the design, like this is right now, it's just up and down.
okay,
But what if you decided, outside of letters, okay, that you have a design that has something to do with Vandegrift or FCCLA, and you want it to be angled like this is angled a little bit,
Yeah.
and this is angled, then you're gonna angle your camera to shoot that way. Right?
So
But
you want
can do
the,
that all on here, like she showed us earlier.
yeah, you want it,
Ah, yeah.
yeah, so you, well, yeah, so like, so I'm gonna turn it so you can see what's gonna happen. So I'm gonna put it here, I'm gonna hit edit end, I'm gonna hit the snowman. When I hit the snowman, the camera, I'm gonna hit scan, is gonna read the marker. So now it's gonna read this marker I have right here.
so it's trying to find it now?
I could have probably narrowed it to the center, but that's okay. There it is, so it finds it. So now, see it, how it turned? So now it's gonna stitch the V right here at that angle. Then I just take my marker out and I'll just, we just stitch it at
And
this
it
point.
knows to start right there.
Yeah,
You can lock it,
yeah,
correct?
yes. It'll just stitch it right here. You'll just pick what color you want and stitch it. So this is one way you can mark, where you want it. The other thing you can do, let's say this is a fabric you have, okay? And this fabric has this design on the fabric. And you want to do something over here, next to it, okay? So I can also do, let me delete this. So this will delete my design. I don't know if this will be too advanced, but I think it's good to show you. So let's say, if you have a dress and there's a pattern in the dress and you want to put a design in a particular place. So let's say I want to do, we won't stitch it out, but let's just say we want to put this heart over here or something. Okay, so I'm going to hit edit end, embroidery. Okay, and this time, let's see, I need to go back. Let's see, hold on. You can always go back. Okay, so this one has a little camera with fabric. So if you touch that, it's basically going to scan this fabric, and this V is going to show up there. Like whatever pattern you have on there will show up on the screen. So see the V? So now I can come over here, and let's say I want to put this heart, you know, over here. You know, I can do that. Does that make sense? So it's kind of neat, like with fabrics and patterns you have or panels, you can scan it and bring it in here and then put your design where you want. So those are the two functions of the camera. You can either put it down with your snowman or scan the background, you know, of it. So, and there is a video too that shows that as well. Does that make sense? I think in
Absolutely.
fashion that might be, you know, like if you
Yes.
have pocket or something or pillow with a pattern, you want that in a certain place. So once you have that, then say, you can also zoom in. So let's say, oops, okay, so go back. So right here is a zoom feature. So, you know, if I want to get a closer view of it, whoops, I did something wrong, sorry. Okay, they changed it. All right, so maybe that's not it. It's this one. Okay. Anyway, it'll zoom in. I need to change the icons on me. I think it's in your book, but they changed it. But anyway, you can zoom in. These are just some added features where it actually shows the fabric. But here we go.
Stacy, yeah, push it 3 times or whatever. Maybe it went off.
Okay, but, okay, I need to get out of that. But anyway, but